Today marks the sixth consecutive day of Indigo's cancellation and major disruptions that have had the skies of the country in a complete whirlwind. Passengers upset and strewn across with no place to go. We do understand that the Civil Aviation Minister Ram Mohan Naidu has spoken in Rajya Sabha about the issue, and he says that this is because of an internal management crisis within Indigo. So this is here the Civil Aviation Minister making it very clear that it is Indigo to blame for its own massive disruptions. We also know at the same time that Indigo is trying to limp back to normalcy, and Indigo is promising at this point that by December 10th, all operations will resume to normal. Now, the steps that Indigo has been taking, that it's saying to resume operations to normal, includes that of course, refunds of cancellations of flights of around rupees 827 crores have been refunded to over 9 lakh passengers is what Indigo is saying at this point. It is of course a huge amount of money that Indigo is having to give back of course to its passengers because of the mismanagement that it itself created. We also understand that, remember, the on-time performance of Indigo used to be abysmally low at around 19%, and it has since then crawled back to 90% on-time performance, is what Indigo is saying. Yesterday, it was at 75% of on-time performance, and today it is at 90%. We also are hearing from Indigo that, of course, yesterday around we reported that 1,300 flights were cancelled in the country. Today, that number has come down to 500 cancellations. And Indigo is saying that they have operated around 1,800 flights today itself. Now, overall, on a daily and a normal situation basis, Indigo operates around 2,200 flights across the country, and it says that today it has operated 1,800 flights. We also know that Indigo is, of course, managing and getting in hotel bookings for the passengers who are stranded as well. Remember, we've seen some very stark visuals of passengers stranded at airports, not knowing what to do, where to go, what is the next update on their flights. Indigo is now saying that they've given around 9,500 passengers hotel bookings and around 10,000 cab and bus services as well. And of course, at this point, we also are hearing that the major another issue was those very dire visuals again that we saw of baggages being strewn across the airport. These were dozens and scores of baggages that are now being slowly returned to the passengers. Indigo says that out of 9,000 such baggages, 4,500 baggages have already been returned to the passengers at their respective points and cities. Of course, this continues to be a major issue still. The Aviation Ministry, alongside the Director General of Civil Aviation, has been looking into the matter, and there is a 4-member body that has also been constituted, an inquiry committee, to look into the entire flight operations of Indigo. The Ministry and the DGCA both have summoned Indigo several times in the past week, and in the latest meeting that was wherein the Civil Aviation Minister Ram Mohan Naidu summoned the CEO of Indigo, Peter Elbers, wherein of course discussions were taking place with respect to the flight operations and how does Indigo plan to immediately step back into normalcy at this point. And what we also are hearing is that these show cause notices that have been issued to the airlines by DGCA to the CEO and the COO, they've asked for an extension for response, and the deadline is 6 p.m. this evening. With camera person Ritvik Gognani, this is Tanushka Datta for NDTV.